Hello! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video we will mix sky blue and candy purple urethane paint for car and motorcycle. Urethane paint is paint created by mixing pigment with polyurethanes, which act as a binder to hold the pigment molecules together. This coating is used on automotive and industrials. It provides a smooth, durable finish that has superior resistance to corrosion, abrasion, and chemical exposure. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our clients order 500 grams of sky blue urethane paint mix. Mixing acrylic. Next, order 500 grams of candy purple urethane paint mix. Until next paint mixing video. Thank you for watching.